Amazing, guys. We have a problem with this like this parrot's big. It's really growing. And now look at that. I put it inside a cage with all the toys and bits and pieces that they can chew. But absolutely, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at that. Look at the big, yeah, and this one too. She's really barking very bad. This the female one. Really bad. And I get this little, hello, say hi. And we get this Max here. Good job. Oh, what happened to you, snowflakes? Who is that singing? I get about 10 birds. I get 2 budgie here. There are.
Is that my phone or yours?
My phone. This is a English clobbering budgie. You know why is it English clobbering budgie? Look at the head. The hair is so fluffy. Why do you have to scream, mister? Hello, Jaja. Hello, Jaja. Beautiful. Oh, see, what I was worried about is big before, but now I don't need to worry about it. Oh, don't. You're gonna chew me, don't you? Oh, no, don't chew me.